Let's start working on a little more complicated project. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple mockups, and then we'll generate a new project. All right, so here's what we're going to make. We're going to have several different pages in our application. This application is all about creating and saving, editing, and deleting code snippets. So the thought process here is that over time, you might write a little snippet of code that's really useful. And so I want people to be able to come to our application and enter in a title of the code snippet and some actual code itself. We should then be able to share that code snippet with other people by just giving them a link. So I should be able to view a snippet, and that will show me the title of the snippet and the actual code that was used to implement it. That's pretty much it. Now, the real point of this application is to really just understand how we can list data, how we can create records, how we can view records, edit them, and delete them as well. That's the real goal of this application. We're going to hopefully move through this application pretty quickly and then move on to more interesting things where we could do some more complex operations. To get started on this project right away, at my terminal, I'm back in a workspace directory, and I'll generate a new project with that same command, npx create next app at latest. And I'm going to call this project snippets. I'll then use all those same default options once again. So yes, 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 and no. All right, I'm going to let that go ahead and generate.